The ELEGOO Mars 4 MSLA 3D printer is a compact yet highly detailed resin 3D printer built for creators who demand precision, smooth surface quality, and reliable performance. Featuring a 7-inch 9K monochrome LCD, powerful UV light source, and stable Z-axis design, the Mars 4 is ideal for printing miniatures, figures, jewelry models, dental prototypes, and highly detailed artistic creations. One of the biggest highlights of the ELEGOO Mars 4 is its 7-inch 9K monochrome LCD screen, with an ultra-high resolution of 8520 x 4320 pixels. This advanced display delivers an impressive 18 by 18 mm XY resolution, allowing the printer to produce extremely sharp edges, tiny textures, and ultra-smooth surfaces that are difficult to achieve with traditional FDM printers. The printer supports print speeds of up to 70 mm, helping users complete projects much faster while still maintaining exceptional detail quality. This combination of speed and precision makes the Mars 4 suitable for both hobbyists and professionals who need efficient resin printing performance. Another important feature is the powerful COB UV light source system. The integrated 405nm UV lighting setup uses multiple LEDs beneath the LCD screen to provide highly uniform light distribution across the build area. This helps ensure consistent curing, cleaner surfaces, and improved dimensional accuracy throughout the entire printing process. The ELEGOO Mars 4 offers a print volume of 153.36 x 77.76 x 175mm, equivalent to 6.04 3.06 by 6.89 inches. This build size is ideal for printing medium-sized statues, miniatures, engineering parts, and multiple small models simultaneously while still keeping the printer compact enough for desks and home workshops. To improve print stability, the printer features a strong linear rail Z-axis system that minimizes vibration and keeps layer movement smooth during operation. This stable structure helps reduce visible layer lines and improves overall print consistency, especially for taller models. The laser-engraved build plate is designed for strong first-layer adhesion, helping models stay securely attached during printing while still allowing easier removal after completion. This reduces the chance of print failures and improves reliability during long printing sessions. ELEGOO also equipped the Mars 4 with a 3.5-inch touchscreen interface that supports model preview and real-time print monitoring. The printer is compatible with popular slicing software such as Chitubox and Voxel Dance Tango, giving users flexible workflow options for different types of resin projects. An efficient cooling system with a large fan and heat-conducting copper tubes helps maintain stable temperatures during operation. This improves long-term durability and helps extend the life of the UV light source and internal components. Overall, the ELEGOO Mars 4 MSLA 3D printer is an excellent high-resolution resin printer that combines ultra-detailed 9K printing, reliable stability, fast curing speeds, and beginner-friendly operation. Its compact design and professional-level print quality make it a strong choice for anyone looking to enter or upgrade their resin 3D printing experience.